Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a network firewall. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a network firewall? A network firewall is a security device or software that is designed to monitor, filter, and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Its primary purpose is to establish a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks, such as the Internet. Firewalls are a fundamental component of network security and play a crucial role in protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and other security threats. Here are some key functions and characteristics of a network firewalls. Number one, packet filtering. Firewalls examine individual packets of data as they travel between the source and destination. Based on predetermined rules, the firewall decides whether to allow or block the packet. Rules can be set based on factors such as source and destination, IP addresses, port numbers, and the type of protocol being used. Number 2, stat stateful inspection, dynamic packet filtering. Unlike simple packet filtering, stateful inspection keeps track on the state of active connections and make decision based on the context of the traffic. This allows firewalls to understand the state of a connection and make more informed decisions. Number 3, proxy services. Firewalls can act as intermediaries between a user's device and the internet. When a user requests a resource, the firewall can forward the request on behalf of the user, making it more difficult for attackers to directly access internal systems. Number 4, network address translation or NAT. Firewalls often use NAT to hide the internal IP addresses of devices on a network. This adds an additional layer of security by making internal network structure less visible to potential attackers. Number 5, application layer filtering. Firewalls can inspect and control traffic and the application layer, making decisions based on the specific applications or services being used. This helps in preventing certain types of attacks such as those targeting specific software vulnerabilities. Number 6, virtual private network, VPN support. Many firewalls include VPN capabilities, allowing secure communication or public networks by encrypting the data traffic between connected devices. Number 7, logging and monitoring. Firewalls keep logs of network activity, allowing administrators to review and analyze the traffic patterns. Monitoring capabilities help in identifying potential security incidents or policy violations. Number 8, intrusion detection and prevention. Some modern firewalls incorporate intrusion detection and prevention features to actively identify and block malicious activity in real time. Firewalls can be implemented as hardware appliances, software applications, or a combination of both. They are critical component of a layered security strategy working alongside other security measures such as antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, and regular security updates to help safeguard um, computer networks from various threats. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a network firewall is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.